What's up, guys? Welcome back to Jersey Nick Moto. I don't think he's mind that I'm starting all these videos with the potato of old Sarah Jane here, right? I mean, what better way to start a video than an old shovel head idling? Anyway, let me give you a little update about what's going on around here. First off, big shout out to Super Clean. They sent me more stuff. I am not sponsored by them, but they did send it to me for free. They've done it for a while now, and I do use it a lot. That's why I take it. You know, Super Clean. Use it on your barbecue grates. Use it on your old crusty Harley engines. I've used it on all that stuff. I've had videos in the past of me using it, but thanks a lot, as always, to Super Clean. It's always something that's going to get used. They've always been a very good company sending me stuff like that. Big shout out to Super Clean. All right, little update what's going on here. So you saw a while ago Roxy had a leaky front brake line. I changed that. Now let's put some extra lights on. You're not going to be able to see it because I cleaned it all off. You might be able to see it, but this little ring right here, she's got a leaky fork seal now. When I ride around and the forks compress, I get some oil coming out of here. And that, unfortunately, that's a little above my pay grade. Plus, I don't trust this jack. I don't have a lift. So, that is something I'm going to have to find a place to do for me and pay for it to get done. I am not confident in myself as a mechanic, nor do I have the equipment to change the front fork seals, because I'll have them do both and put new fork oil in there. But it's just crazy that the newest bike in the fleet with the least amount of mileage on it has been giving me the most trouble this year. But I guess that's how it goes sometimes. So I'm going to have to get that sorted out and get that fixed sometime within the next few months. I'm not in a big hurry. I got 2 other bikes to ride. Like I said, I've been riding this one the most this year. And then we got Miss Reliable Lola right here, but I should probably knock on wood when I say that. Well, this video is probably going to be another mishmash of what's been going on lately, but what we're going to start out with is a couple weeks ago I went to the Dead Man's Curve car show in Somerset, New Jersey, I think. And it was pretty cool. So here's some clips for that. We'll start out with that. All right, so Harley issues right there, and a car show. I think I'm going to wrap this video up here, but don't go away. I'll leave you with a shovelhead ride on the way out. Just want to say, as usual, thanks for watching Jersey Nick Moto. Really appreciate it. Keep your head on a swivel out there. See you in the next one. Later.